Morning, everybody. So this is my attire for the day. I know I'm not matching, but that's okay. I'm going to be deep cleaning the kids' whole bedroom today. I'm going to pull out their bed, pull out their mattresses, spray everything down. I have this Tide fabric disinfectant spray that I'm going to spray down, not tide down. I'm going to tide it down. I'm going to spray the beds down. I'm going to vacuum. We're going to completely disinfect and deep clean. I'm going to probably get into their closet today. I'm not sure if we'll have time for that, but we will see. But yeah, I'm just going to take you guys along with me, just to give you some cleaning motivation. If these are videos that you guys like, definitely hit that like and subscribe to my channel. I plan to do more of these as I get into the groove of things and get a schedule down. So far I'm going to try to shoot for uploading every Tuesday at least, possibly Thursdays and Fridays. I'm not sure yet, but I am working on that. For sure Tuesdays though. I know I didn't post one last week, so I'm sorry for that, but I'm going to get into it today and you guys can clean along with me if it gives you some motivation or not. Or if you just want to throw it on and sit down and relax, I'll clean while you watch. I know sometimes I like to do that myself, but let's get into it. So I'm also going to get to this box today. Yes, I am still moving some stuff into the apartment. So this is all my bathroom stuff from the last house. I need to clean the table. I need to go through this pile that I've started. I don't know about you guys, if you guys have piles that you have places, but I think there's stuff that I need to take back to the store, kids' books, kids' art work from school. I need to go through that basket. And then I'm going to completely clean down the sink, have the kids do the dishes, have my son take out the trash. This is just from this weekend, well, yesterday. We take out the trash about 2 or 3 times a day, honestly. And then have them take out these pizza boxes. But I'm going to straighten up the kitchen in here and make the kids some breakfast. I did just want to pop back on here and let you guys know that this is old footage. I did film this the same time that I filmed her birthday vlog. So that's why there's still boxes from her presents and the pizza boxes on the stove. No, they have not been sitting here this whole time. I just thought I would throw that out there in case anybody was wondering. This is old footage. I'm just now getting around to uploading it. So again, sorry for the delay. I've been super busy the last couple weeks, but I at least did want to get this content out there because it is some great cleaning motivation. We have a triple bunk bed in the kids' room, so since I can't reach Giselle's bed, she's on the top bunk. I am having her throw down all of her stuffed animals and her blankets and pillows and everything so that I can get it all cleaned. Little Miss Desiree wanted to help us, so I'm trying to have her help hold the bag so that we can throw all the stuffed animals in them, but that didn't really work out very well. But she wanted to try to help. She likes to stand in here when we're cleaning. But I'm just going to have all the kids just bag up all their stuffed animals. The reason why we're doing this, well, one of the reasons why we're doing this is because we found a bug in Jasmine's blanket. I know that sounds disgusting for most people, but I'm being honest with you. We have a really old apartment. We live in a really old building. They did redo and remodel and upgrade everything on the inside of these apartments, but we live along a creek and a whole bunch of trees and everything. So we had some kind of bug in Jasmine's bed on her blanket, and I just have been freaking out about it. I don't want the kids getting bit by a spider or anything. So we just decided that we would choose this day to do some spring cleaning, even though I have already done this, but we're just going to do it again just to make sure that we didn't find any other bugs or anything. But again, not anything gross. It's just, bugs are part of life. So we're just making sure and going to go through and just disinfect everything just to be on the safe side, because I don't know if I know you can't see the oak mites, but our dog, Vader, he's a German Shepherd, and we take him out back, which is where the creek and everything is. So I'm guessing, obviously, he brought something in. It may have even have been a tick, just a weird one that I've never seen before because it was pretty large. So I know you can't see the oak mites, but I know that we've been having issues with that again because of all the trees. So like I said, it's just best to disinfect and clean everything up. And then I also wanted to mention, you may have seen me throwing all of Liam's toys inside a plastic bag in the trash bag. That was just what was easier for me at the moment. I'm still figuring out ways to organize all of his toys in with all the girls' stuff, with them all sharing a room currently. So that's been a bit of a challenge, but I will have updates and video coming soon for some organization tactics. So I'm just, again, looking along the boards underneath the mattresses and everything just to make sure I don't see, and make sure that's like not bed bugs or something, because we bought this bed brand new on Amazon like, I don't know, a couple months ago, and the mattresses are brand new. I've always had mattress protectors on all the mattresses, and we've never had anybody over to spend the night. My kids haven't gone anywhere to spend the night, so there's no way we could have picked up bed bugs, because if I'm not mistaken, you have to have gotten them from somewhere. With everything being brand new in this room, there's absolutely no way. So I have no idea. So after we got all the beds cleaned off, all the sheets are running in the washer, I'm just trying to pick up a little bit of their clothes over here. As you can see, I get so frustrated because they don't like to keep their stuff clean. Each one of them have 2 cubbies in here for their clothes for now, and then have all their other clothes hanging up in the closet. But as you can see, I'm just kind of over it at this point. So I'm just tossing every toy and any little thing extra that doesn't go with their clothes right here into their closet, and I'm gonna have them do it and go over that here in a little bit after I'm done cleaning up their room. But I'm just trying to get the majority of everything off the floor so I can get it all vacuumed and mopped. Alright guys, so I have their bed all clean now. I wiped it down. I'm sorry my phone died so I couldn't continue to record, but as you can see, we pulled the whole bed out, vacuumed under it. I'm gonna buy a cover for Jasmine's bed because she, unfortunately, her and Desiree's, sorry I have my ring light there, her and Desiree's are the only 2. You get your little butt down. Kids taught her how to climb up on the ladder now. But Jasmine and Desiree's beds are the only 2 that need a cover. Liam and Giselle's beds have the covers, so I'm just finishing washing their sheets and everything. Jasmine's horse and her bed is drying, but we got everything picked up. They just need to organize this area again, organize that corner. Yes, I was a teenager and threw everything in that closet, but I'll get to the closet tomorrow. I don't have the energy today. But yeah, so we have their bags out in the hallway with all their stuffies in there. And I got their pillows sitting right here, just waiting on everything to wash up. Alright, so it sounds like Desiree's getting hungry, so I'm gonna start making lunch for all the kids. And then I will get back to cleaning. I need to wash my sheets. My husband's back scratcher. I need to wash my sheets and get all these clothes put away. And you guys, I don't understand how it just gets so dirty like this. I just cleaned this on Friday. Today's Monday, but I guess I need to redo. But yeah. What are you doing? No. So yeah, I need to straighten up my room again because it's a little messy. I got all their clothes washing in there now. I have this whole basket to do of the rest of their clothes. And then I need to clean my bathroom. Definitely my mirror. I disinfected over the weekend in here and forgot to record. I'm sorry guys, but I didn't get a chance to do my mirror. So I need to do that. So for lunch, we're having these giant chicken tenders with some grapes, and then the kids decided last minute they wanted some mac and cheese, so I'm just making that up now. Thanks for joining me for this day in the life video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my channel.